What's up, AJ and Tiff family? Welcome back to the channel. We got another video for y'all tonight. So hey man, have you ever been in a taste for some barbecue wing? But it is like cold outside, rain and storm, and you can't get out there and you get on your grill and cook and all that there. Well, guess what? You are in need no more, because I'm gonna show you how to make barbecue baked wings in your apartment, in your house, in the oven, and they're gonna taste just like you had them on the grill. I'm talking about with the wood smoke and everything. So stay tuned. Make sure y'all watch this video to the end so you can get the taste test and everything. I'm gonna show y'all how good it's gonna be, and I'm gonna show y'all what you need and all how to do it. Y'all just follow step by step. It's gonna be so simple. You can have barbecue baked wings. You can have barbecue grilled wings within an hour inside the apartment. You ain't got nothing to say, T? We'll be back, y'all. All right, gang, welcome back. So here are the easy little ingredients you're gonna need when you making oven baked barbecue wings. And this is what you're gonna need to make them taste like you got them off the grill. So I already had the Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. I like a little tang on mine, so I got the Raging Cajun seasoning. Then I got, look at here, this is the one right here, y'all. I got some Grill Mates brown sugar bourbon seasoning. I'm gonna hit it with a little garlic powder. This the secret right here, y'all, to get that brown golden look on your wings. You wanna get that Sazon seasoning. I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of this. Hey, y'all, don't knock it. This big old bag right here, and it's good. The Knorr cheddar broccoli. You got the pasta side. We got cheddar broccoli taste to it. Then I'm gonna hit them with some green beans. But also, let me hit y'all with the secret. This is how you get that wood taste to it. Boom. The liquid smoke, y'all. If you don't got this, go get you this. Pick it up at Kroger's, H-E-B, or Publix if you're in Florida or wherever y'all at on the East Coast. Go get this here. It's called liquid smoke. You know what I'm saying? I like the hickory flavor. That's what give it that wood taste to it. You don't want to use too much of this stuff because it is strong and it's gonna have like overpowering taste to it on your meat. But I'm gonna go ahead. I already got my wings prepped up. I got them marinating. I'm gonna show y'all what that look like. Be right back. All right, gang. So I got the Grill Mates marinating pack. And say you're only supposed to marinate for like 30 minutes or so, but I've been marinating this chicken for a couple of hours. So here go the wings right here, y'all. Check them out. Ooh, look at that marinade I got on them bad boys right there, y'all. So I've been marinating these for about a couple of hours. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did. Oh, first of all, you gotta wash your chicken, right? So I rinse off my chicken, wash it. If you wanna clean it with a little lime and all that extra stuff that you do, you can, but I at least give mine a rinse off. You know what I'm saying? Wash it off, put it in a bowl, wash it, throw your water out, put it in a bowl, rinse it, wash it, throw your water out again. But check it out though. If you don't wash your chicken, that makes mean you don't wash your ass, because you won't have all your meat clean before you cook it. So yeah, I poked holes in the chicken with a little knife or whatever you got so the marinade can penetrate deep down in the meat. And make sure you do that, or you don't have to poke holes in your chicken if you're gonna marinate it for more than 24 hours. But if you marinate it just for a couple of hours like me, you wanna make sure you poke holes in that meat so it can be penetrated in that meat. It's gonna be good to go. Don't worry about losing flavor or nothing like that or drying it out, because this is not a steak. It's okay to poke holes in your chicken. Let's get to the motherfucking, excuse my language. Beep. Let's get to the, the cooking process. Y'all stay tuned. All right, gang, I'm back. So I got all the chicken in the pan that I'm gonna cook it in. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna hit it with the liquid smoke. Like I say, remember, don't use too much of this stuff because it is strong. There you go. I think that's about enough right there. Maybe a little bit more. About a tablespoon and a half. That should do it. About a tablespoon and a half.
That look like more than a tablespoon.
2 shots of vodka. So you gonna hit it with that, about a tablespoon and a half. You didn't see the half that I put in now.
Well, like you did over a half.
So I'm gonna hit it next. I'm gonna hit it with the brown sugar. seasoning, like I say, cause we're gonna hit this with barbecue sauce at the end, so you really don't have to over season your meat, cause you don't want it salty or nothing like that, cause all of the you know, the ingredients that's already in the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So you just want to cover up that top, cause we're gonna mix it up at the end. So remember, that's brown sugar bourbon seasoning. Then you want to come back and you want to hit it with some garlic powder, baby. Put the garlic powder on there, you know what I'm saying? Got that garlic powder. Gotta have that garlic powder in there. I already got my oven preheated. It's preheating to 350 right now, so you want to cook this at 350 for about 1 hour. Then you're gonna hit it with the Cajun seasoning. You don't have to if you don't like a little spice on it. It's not too spicy because the kids gonna eat it, but I just like, you know, just that little burn, you know, not too hot. And hit it with just a little bit. There you go. Then you want to come back and hit it with this here, the secret seasoning, the Saison. Make sure you, cause they got the yellow pack, they got the it's a green pack. Make sure you get the orange pack. You'll see it. You'll know when you get it.
Why it's called secret season?
Cause it's a secret, baby. You know what I'm saying? I can't tell you that. If I do, somebody gonna come up missing. Bam! Oh yeah, you right about that. Alright, tea back there, you know what I'm saying? Putting up 2 cents in, but it's all good though, y'all. So you hit it with the Saison. After you hit all those together, hold on, let me go throw my packs in the trash right quick, y'all. And make sure you have you some good gloves handy, cause it's about to get messy. You just mix it all up. Mix it all up. There you go. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. See that? Ooh, look at that seasoning on there, y'all. Look at that seasoning on there, y'all. All right, along with the marinade. So this chicken is ready. It's mixed up. You're gonna put it in the oven for about an hour. You wanna set your chickens up. That way they cook evenly. See that? Put them like that. Give them a little space to cook. There you go. There you go. Dang, I probably should have did these on that pan. You know what? As a matter of fact, cause this pot, the little flat sheet, the cooking sheet, cause these are I didn't know this little pan right here was this small. They ain't gonna cook in the middle. Hey, y'all wait right here. Give me a few seconds. I'm about to line up the cooking sheet. I'm gonna line it up, put some foil on it, cause see how they touching all right there all together? They ain't gonna cook evenly on the inside right there. So give me a second, I'll be right back, y'all. I'm gonna line them up on a cooking sheet. All right, y'all, I feel a whole lot more better about these right here. As you can see, they separated. They can get air between them. You know what, let me push that one down a little bit. All right, you wanna be able to get air between them so they can cook evenly. But yeah, I got them on 2 cooking sheets. I oiled the bottom. I put a little onion at the bottom. I'm gonna put these in the oven at 350 for about 1 hour. Let me see. So I'm gonna do 1 hour. Set that oven to 1 hour, and I'm gonna drop these bad boys in there, and I'll get back with y'all and show y'all where we at. Okay, so while I got those on for an hour, I'm gonna do this right here. The broccoli, cheddar broccoli, little pasta right here. I'm gonna do that in here. Okay. I already got I got the green beans on already. Just got them on low. Make sure now look like they cooking. And I got my barbecue sauce on right there. You always wanna warm up your barbecue sauce before you put it on the wings. So while you got your wings cooking for an hour, have your barbecue sauce warming up on low. That way you won't, when you put cold barbecue sauce on hot chicken, you know, it don't stick as good or whatever. So just warm up your barbecue sauce. When your chicken about to be done, take it out, sauce it up. I'll show y'all that at the end, so y'all just stay tuned. Yeah. So for right now, we got it going. This food finna be good tonight. And like I say, this barbecue is gonna taste so delicious that you might wanna slap your mama. You know what I'm saying? Like Willie Earl did up in Friday. You know what I'm saying? But we ain't gonna talk about that. Get back with me. Yeah, except for the truck. All of them super, super dope. Alright, y'all, check it out. So I just took the chicken out the oven for 1 hour. This is what your chicken should look like after 1 hour. Boom. See that? Oh yeah. So what I'm about to do now is baste them with the barbecue sauce that I got heating up over here. Then I got the Norris cheddar broccoli little pasta right there that I got stir up. You gotta remove it from the heat. After 10 minutes, remove it from the heat. So I'm gonna take it off the heat and cover it up, y'all, and it's gonna thicken up. See, it's still a little soupy, but it'll thicken up when you remove it from the heat. Yeah, so let's get these bad boys sauced up. All right now, y'all, remember, use the heated barbecue sauce. Don't put that cold barbecue sauce on your chicken. And you just baste them like that. And you're gonna put them back in the oven. You're gonna raise your temp up to like 400 degrees. Because remember, you cook them on 350 for about an hour. And then when you put them back in the oven at 400 degrees, and look, see, they ain't sticking like that or none of that. They moving around, baby. You put them back in the oven for about maybe 10 minutes on 400 degrees to make this sauce stick. You gonna make them look all pretty. I'm gonna just do this side and I'm gonna put them back in there and show you how, because I got two sheets to do right here. But this how you want it to look, y'all. Coat that chicken, baby. Coat that chicken. Make sure you get it all over. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Barbecue. Them are gonna taste like you got them straight off the grill. I'm gonna show you what they look like when you pull them out the oven on 400. 400. See how that mug moving? Ain't sticking. Look at that, moving. Ain't sticking. See that? That's why you want to grease the bottom of your pan so you don't be tearing your meat all up. Let me put that to the side. See that? Yeah. Oh yeah. That's how you want them looking. Then I'm gonna put them back in the oven on 400 degrees. Babe, what was it? 400? 400 degrees. Bam. And I'm gonna show y'all how they look when they come out the oven. All right, y'all, that's the finished results right there, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just follow my instructions that I just gave y'all, and y'all will have some real good oven baked barbecue wings. Taste like they came off the grill, baby. You know what I'm saying? Uh-oh. I got that done. Boom. And then you got the green beans done. I think y'all gonna enjoy that. I'ma let Pepe do the taste test, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna swing on over here to her, cause them wings are still hot. Hold on, let me cut that light on. Hold on, cut that light on. All right.
Hi, y'all.
You ready, Pepe?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all, excuse the background. We moving, so that's why you got all the boxes and stuff around there. And excuse Pepe hair, she just got out. All right, y'all, we got Pepe right here. About to try out the chicken.
Hot.
It's hot. I just took it out the oven.
Oh God. Oh.
It's too hot.
Okay, let's just try it. I just have to burn my mouth because it's a taste test.
Be careful. It's hot.
It's good.
Oh yeah. Pepe say the chicken is good, y'all. So.
No, my turn.
Oh, hold on. Parents, what you gonna try it out right now? Or what?
She gonna have to blow it.
Go ahead. Okay, Paris. You do the taste test on that's hot. Do the taste test on that. Oh. Watch it. Oh! How is it? It's too hot. Yeah, it just came out the oven. All right, y'all. I'm gonna do the taste test right here, right now. All right, y'all. This is the finished plate right here. Got your green beans right there. Let me taste the green beans. Of course, y'all know what Gloria green beans tastes like. Good. Got the Knorr broccoli and cheddar, broccoli and cheese, little macaroni thing right there. Let's try that. That's good. Now let's try this chicken right here. Ooh, let's see what the chicken do. I'm gonna give y'all an honest review too. All right, here we go. I'll split that wing right there. Got a wing right there, y'all. Barbecue wing, huh? Oh, thank you, Nuna. So we got the barbecue wing right there. Let's try that wing. Tastes like butter, baby. Hey. Do your chicken like this, bro. I can taste that hickory liquid smoke on that. It tastes like it got wood smoke on it, bad boy. On that bad boy, I can't even talk. That doggone tuna. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These, the Nord, they good, but it tastes like it need a little more seasoning than to me. And of course the Gloria green beans, they do what they do, baby. But hey, thank y'all for watching this video tonight, man. I greatly appreciate y'all. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment down below what you would have did different on this dish. Because I'm by no means no chef, or I don't cook it like I'm not no great cook or nothing like that, but I cook enough to feed my girls. Huh? What happened?
I'm a great cook.
All right, y'all. I don't want to bloat and brag or nothing like that. I cook pretty good, y'all. But I'm just saying that because you might be out there, you know what I'm saying, learning to cook or something like that. But check out my other cooking videos I got in my look. You know, if you go look in the on my channel, you'll see I got a cooking video spot where you can go and see how to cook different stuff. So thank y'all for watching tonight. Come back for the next cooking video. What we're gonna do, we got some nice vlogs coming up for y'all. We might be traveling some places pretty soon coming up. Y'all stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next one. AJ and Tiff family. AJ and Tiff family? See y'all in the next one. AJ and Tiff family. Peace.